on your cheeks. Cause baby, in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love when it's you by my side.
We ordered gyudon and spicy salmon for appetizer. That's our food. Share lang kami because baka di maubos. Guys, we are here at Hero Cafe. I don't know if like naririnig niyo ako, pero the vibe here, very ano lang siya. What do you call it? Very serene. And then, sobrang tahimik guys. So, I'm just whispering. So, sana naririnig niyo ako. We just walk here from Kodawari kasi grab yung busog namin. Ganun yung aesthetic sa labas. Pero like, pumasok muna kami dito kasi sobrang init. Grabe yung pawis namin. And yeah, we're just gonna stay here. Hindi ako masyado nag-vlog sa Kodawari since pumunta kami doon like lunchtime. So, parang daming tao. Tapos medyo maingay. So, sabi ko di na mag-vlog. There's you order the matcha latte and sea salt ice cream. Yum!
First morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as years go by. It's easier to love, oh, oh. Easier to love, oh, oh. There's nothing like the way that you adore me. I can feel love from miles away. And the light in your eyes tells me stories of life in a more perfect place where I wanna stay. It's easier to love when it's you by my side.
Yes, it's currently 3:19 PM and tumatambay lang kami dito ni Doreen. Tapos maya-maya we're going to Greenbelt kasi mag-check kami ng Marks and Spencer kasi nga diba mag-close na daw yung Marks and Spencer. Tapos itong kapatid ko gusto mag-hoard ng digestives na purple. So yun, actually yun talaga yung pinunta namin kaya kami nag-Makati. Bibili daw siya sa Marks and Spencer ng digestives. But yeah, sana hindi pa ubos and sana meron pa ring stock kasi the last time na pumunta sila it's buy 4 get 1 free, so sayang naman. And then ako baka mag-check lang ako ng mga undies, yun, mga underwears. Tapos yun, baka marami pa naman silang sale doon. Yun lang naman i-check ko. And then, ako nag-go sa Angko kasi mag-check sana ako ng scented candles. But yeah, it's so nice here guys. The place is very serene, very silent, ganon. Tapos ito parang ano siya, tutor or something. Tapos kami lang yung tao here. Tapos, meron pa silang indoor, which is naka-aircon naman yun. Pero mas pinili namin na outdoor kasi wala lang. Gusto lang namin makakita ng greens. Greens. But yeah, we're just here. Guys, we're already here. And nawawala kami. I don't know where Marks and Spencer is, pero I'm gonna get fine. The order. It's buy 4, get 1 free. Let's go. Guys, we are here na sa Marks and Spencer. Tapos may bag na siya, guys. Look. Full of stuff. Yan yung gusto niya. Nag-cookies. And then I'm looking for panties. Okay, so dati siya 950. 5.7. 70 na lang. Very still. And then, tumitingin kami ng mga pangtulog. Kasi baka may naka-sale din. But yeah. Grabe guys, it turns out yung panty na nakuha namin, sobrang laki na pala ng sizing. So, di na namin kinuha. Buti na lang pala siya neck namin. Sayang. Wala nang panty guys. We're here sa Urban Review. Tapos, she is trying on. So nice guys.
Packets.
Ang ganda. Tapos may white skirt pa siya na ito. It fits so well. I like the top. I like this one. But I feel like you can get this somewhere sa online na mas cheaper. Pero the top is so nice. Nakakasakal ang top, guys. Look, I'm wearing the blue one. It's so nice, guys. Pero extra small is not my size. Tignan nyo naman. Grabe, oh. Kita nyo ba? Oh, tignan nyo.
May corset na yun.
Para akong naka-corset. Pero sa baba. Corset sa pusod. Look, it's so nice, guys. Size small na yan siya. Gusto niyo talaga yung skirt. Nakikihati pa sa akin.
Ayan mo na.
Perfect.
It's either yes, or a no, or a maybe. For me, it's a yes.
I kinda like it though, pero it's so mahal.
No for us too.
Yan na naman, for us too, we always, half na lang, half sa food, half sa damit. Everything na lang, half and all.
Yeah. Can't find this quality anywhere. Yeah.
We're having a trip. Medyo malayo pa naman, pero I feel like makakahanap kami ng ganito kasi doon sa pupuntahan namin. So I'm still thinking if like this 2K skirt is worth it.
It is worth it. It has packets.
Pero parang naisip ko din naman, I haven't been buying clothes. The last time I bought clothes pa is nung nag-review ako. Probably kasi wala din naman akong pera. Iniamoyan mo siya, maamot siya, tapos ini self-care. Pero mas gusto ko ang self-care. Pero si Ate Jade, ang alin, parang I like this better. Pero fresh from bath. Very sweet. Tapos ang happiness, amoy mo. We're looking for candles. Diba? Paamoy dito yung vanilla na white. Guys, they have a lot of dito, plates, and super mura lang. We're just checking. Grabe, nabubudol na kami. Naghahanap kami ng handmade din. Cute me. Better. Or baka sanay lang ako sa brown muna sa lamin. Pero mas better siya kesa sa black. Yeah. Pero para maiba. Try mo. We're here at Chaggy. I'm trying out their milk tea. Oh, dali go. Pag di daw masarap, pwede papalitan. Wow, very thin ang straw. Ano?
Tastes like normal. Not good, not bad.
Okay.
Just
Wow. Try. Very tea.
yeah. Not good, not
Very tea and less creamy, but it's good.
Yeah.
For the price itself, 155 lang. Tapos ang ganda ng packaging, guys.
And the straw, so small.
Sobrang nipis. Anyway, we're gonna go home. Bye!